Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Fuel efficient and low miles. Features also include anti-lock brakes, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. We are pleased to show you the 2011 Equinox. Fuel efficiency, safety, and value equals the Chevy Equinox. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, security system, cruise control, trip computer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.